Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Net Benefits app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Net Benefits app. If it's not working, you have to follow this simple method. Just press and hold the app. Then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. So at here you have to scroll down and just click on the storage. Just click on clear data. Just delete it. Then you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar and search for the Net Benefit app. Okay, Net Benefits app. So from here you can just download latest version and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.